The Rugby Game by a Disgruntled Worker. A Satire. Part 2. To all the fans in the stands, welcome to the thrilling game of corporate rugby. Today's match features John Dominion, the employer's star player, and Alfie Goodconduct, the employee's last hope. John has a reputation for his no-holds-barred style, as he enjoys firing employees without any warning, and he is not afraid to show it on the field. On the other side, Alfie must join a union to play against John's ruthless game, and he knows that he must go low when John goes high. John has no qualms about receiving yellow cards and taking his 10 minutes breaks, but he is a master of talking his way out of receiving a red card. Alfie, being the ethical player, understands the rules of the game, and he will have to read between the lines when John attacks. However, Alfie has an ace up his sleeve, as he remembers the lyrics to the song Fight Song by singer Rachel Platten, helping him to get into a resilient mood. He has team support, words of encouragement, and receive fist bumps. He hopes that he won't run into John at Macca's afterwards, and he prays that it won't rain during the game, as he forgot his special talks. He is buggered because he went to bed late last night. It's going to be an intense match, folks. Get ready for a game that will leave you on the edge of your seat.